Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of two great credit cards, the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card and the Swiggy HDFC Bank credit card. I'll take you through what both cards are for, who it's for, their main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and ultimately help you make a choice as to which one deserves a spot in your wallet this year. We start with the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. This card was launched through a partnership between the ICICI Bank and Amazon, designed to reward online shopping habits, especially if you are a frequent Amazon customer. What really sets the card apart is that it's completely lifetime free. No joining fee, no annual fee, and no renewal fee. That makes it incredibly low maintenance. The cashback structure is built around Amazon Prime membership. And the cherry on top is that your cashback gets instantly credited as Amazon Pay balance, so you can use it on your next transactions. No point, no expiry, no complicated redemptions. How about the Swiggy HDFC credit card? It came out of HDFC Bank's collaboration with India's leading food delivery platform Swiggy. And this card is a full-on celebration of the foodie lifestyle. You get a massive 10% cashback on anything Swiggy, whether it's ordering food, buying groceries on Instamart, booking a table on Dine Out, or even sending a parcel through Swiggy Genie. Now let us talk about the main features of both cards. As regards cashback and rewards, Amazon Pay ICICI gives you up to 5% cashback on Amazon, which means you earn 5 times points on every 100 rupees spent on Amazon, 3 times points if you are a non-Prime member, while the 5 times is for those who are Amazon Prime members. And you get 2 times points with over 100 partner merchants. Swiggy HDFC, however, offers a 10% cashback on Swiggy ecosystem spend, 5% on online spends across online MCCs, and 1% cashback on all other categories elsewhere. However, their own cashback is capped. It is capped to 1,500 rupees per month for Swiggy spends, 1,500 rupees for other online spends, and 500 rupees on offline purchases. How about the redemption? For Amazon Prime, the Amazon cashback goes into your Amazon Pay wallets and it's usable on thousands of merchants. For Swiggy cashback, it is automatically adjusted as statement credits on your next bill. It is straightforward and flexible. How about extra perks? For the Amazon Pay ICICI, card holders also get fuel surcharge waivers for all fuel purchases, a 1% surcharge waiver. They also get EMI conversions and the security of a contactless Visa card. There's also a welcome bonus for new users. And for Swiggy, they add value through their MasterCard World benefits like zero lost card liability, interest-free credit period, revolving credits, and you also get a complimentary Swiggy One membership for 3 months as a welcome benefit, which is great. Now let us talk about the pricing of the cards. For Amazon Pay ICICI credit card, there is no joining fee, no annual fee, and there is no renewal fee, which means it is lifetime free. That's great. You pay 3.75% interest per month on ATM withdrawals, and you also get charged for late bill payments. As I mentioned earlier, there's also a fuel surcharge waiver of 1% on all fuel purchases. And for the Swiggy HDFC Bank credit card, the joining fee is 500 rupees, and you also get an annual fee from the second year, which is kind of like the renewal membership fee for 500 rupees plus GST. There's a fee waiver condition where you spend up to 2 lakhs or more in a year, the joining fee, the annual fee will be waived. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using both cards. We start with the pros. For Amazon Pay, it is lifetime free, there's no hidden fees. It offers excellent cashback for Prime users, and there's instant no-hassle redemption as Amazon Pay balance. Also, there are no monthly caps on the rewards, and is great for bill payments and digital transactions. And the pros of the Swiggy HDFC? Highest in class 10% cashback on food delivery. You also get solid 5% back on online shopping, and there are other MasterCard perks. How about the cons? For Amazon Pay, it is weak outside the Amazon ecosystem, and there are no travel benefits or lounge access. For the Swiggy HDFC, the cashback is capped. which may limit power users. There's also an annual fee compared to the Amazon Pay, which is lifetime free, and you need to spend to a certain degree before the annual fees can be waived. So now the big question is this: which card is better in 2025? Well, I'd say it depends on your lifestyle. If you're someone who shops regularly on Amazon, especially as a Prime member, the Amazon Pay ICICI card is a no-brainer. It's zero fee, delivers consistent cashback, and is extremely easy to use. No minimum spend, no fine print, no expiry. It's the ultimate set it and forget it card for online retail lovers. On the other hand, if your lifestyle revolves around food delivery, groceries on Instamart, and the occasional dine-outs, then the Swiggy HDFC card offers unmatched value. But in the end, the Amazon's card is more passive and broad, while Swiggy is more aggressive and niche. And if you're a power user, why not hold both and stack the rewards? And that's it on the comparison between the Amazon Pay ICICI credit card and the Swiggy HDFC. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Flipkart's Access Bank credit card, SBI Cashback credit card, and HDFC Millennial credit card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.